guys, so I have this type of wood lathe and I need to replace the belt and the bearings. The bearing is noisy and I need to remove the belt. So you can see there is no gap, there is no space, so I can take the belt out. I already loosened everything. So to do that, first you have to loosen this bolt and you raise the motor up. Then you're gonna remove all this cover, and the one was here I already removed. Okay, so step one, we have to unscrew this two here. There is one Allen key here and there is one here. So I'm gonna remove this two and I'm gonna open this one. And to do that, this is turning like so, clockwise. So if I want to remove this one, I need to turn it this side. It is the opposite thread. So I turn it like this, this will open. I turn it like that, and this will close. And after that, there is a one Allen key here. I don't know if you can see it. I need to remove this one also, so the pulley will be free. Then I will hammer it from this side to pull everything out. I already loosened everything, but I will show you anyhow. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna unscrew this. And there is another one here. Okay, now I'm gonna loosen this screw here so the pulley will be free. So I'm gonna screw this one. So now you can see the pulley is free inside. So I'm gonna open this one now. I'm gonna hammer it to pull everything out. Then I can remove the belt. Okay, now like I said, I already loosened everything. I'm just gonna demonstrate for you guys. So you have to grab this one with the plier, or you can just put like this here something. So I'm gonna grab this one and I'm gonna open this one clockwise. It's turning clockwise for open and clockwise for close, clockwise for open. So I remove this one. Now from here, I need to bring a piece of wood with a hammer, and I need to tap the shaft here. So I'm gonna tap gently. So now the shaft is coming out, and this one is coming out. Now the belt is free. And for the bearings, you can see it's already out because I already take it out, but I'm gonna show you anyhow. You just bring a piece of wood, enter it from this side, and tap it. This one is out. And for the other one, you need to remove this one, and again you need to hammer it out. I don't want to do that because I already take this out and I put and install a new bearing. So this is a new bearing now. For installing a new bearing, first we need to clean everything out. Both sides. You can put little oil. And also here. So I'm gonna fix the new bearing. All the way inside until it stops. And now I'm gonna install this one. I'm gonna fix the pulley inside, and I have to make sure that I fix the belt with it. But you have to, if you notice, there is a groove here, so you have to make sure the screw here goes in the groove, otherwise they will spin together. They will spin freely. So this screw have to come inside this groove here. Okay guys, so again I put little oil here, and I'm gonna install it inside, and I'm gonna put this one from inside. I'm gonna make sure that I'm fixing the belt before it's go all the way. So I'm gonna fix this one here. I'm gonna put the pulley, then I'm gonna put the belt. Now I can fix it. Okay. So now again we need to hammer this side. Again, this is a plastic hammer, or you can use a piece of wood. If you want to hammer it with the metal hammer, you can just put a piece of wood and hammer it like that. But this is fine. And now I'm gonna just screw in this one. Again, I'm gonna grab here and I'm gonna tighten it here. Now, because there is no screw here, there is nothing. The method I use, it's like this. I'm gonna grab this one here. I'm gonna like so. So I'm gonna screw this one. Okay, internet, so I don't know if you can see this one, but there is a groove here. If you can look carefully, there's a groove here. I want to make sure this Allen key go inside that groove. You can see now it's spinning freely. So this Allen key should go inside this groove here. So I'm gonna do that. See now? I'm gonna make it little loose because I need to adjust it with the pulley, with the motor pulley. So I'm gonna let It's in the groove now. It will not spin, but it's freely still. It's little loose, and the reason because I want to make the belt straight with the down pulley, with the motor pulley. So I'm going to leave this little loose here, but it will not spin. You see, it's not spinning, only going side to side. I'm going to fix the belt down, then I'm going to fix the belt up and make it straight. Okay, now from here I'm going to first fix the belt here. I'm going to use the third one because that's the speed I need. Okay guys, so you can see the belt is not straight. So I'm gonna, like I said, I leave this screw loose a little bit, so I'm gonna just adjust it so it becomes straight with the down pulley. Okay, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, doesn't have to be very perfect. And now I'm gonna lock this guy. Okay, so now the belt is straight. I'm gonna shift it to here because all the time I use speed number 3. This is one that I use all the time, but you can use anyone. But now they are all straight, so you just gonna shift it here, and also down you're gonna shift it once. So if you want, you count 1 2 3 down, 1 2 3. If you want number 2, 1 2 1 2, like this one, 1 2 3 4 down, 1 2 3 4, and so on.